Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing about recruitment. What is recruitment? Recruitment is a process of identifying, screening, shortlisting and hiring potential resource for filling up the vacant positions in an organization. Recruitment is the core function of human resource management, which deals with identifying the resource, screening the resource, shortlisting the resource, and then finally hiring the resource for filling up the vacant position in an organization as per the requirement of the projects. Recruitment is also defined as the process of choosing the right person for the right position and at the right time. Recruitment also refers to the process of attracting, selecting and appointing potential candidates to meet the organization's resource requirement, which means recruitment is also defined as the process of choosing of right person for the right position at right time. Because unless a right person is selected for the right position, the resource cannot be utilized in an effective and efficient way. Which means hiring a right person for the right position at right time plays a vital role, which is only possible by a proper recruitment process. Because unless a right person at the right time is not hired, the project will be delayed. The wrong recruitment may lead to failure of the project. Hence, recruiting of right person at the right time is very important. It also refers to the process of attracting, which means recruitment plays a vital role in attracting the resources as per the requirement and selecting them and appointing the potential candidates to meet the organization's goals. The hiring of candidates can be done through internally, that is within the organization, or from external sources, and the process should be performed within a time constraint and it should be cost effective. Recruitment can be done internally as well as externally depending upon the time and budget. If the company has the excess resource working in different departments with different projects, depending upon the time constraint, we can replace the resource within the departments and we can replace the resource from one project to other project, or else there is an other source of recruitment which is external source, which will be discussing in the upcoming videos. Now let us know the importance of recruitment. Recruitment is one of the most fundamental activities of human resource team. If the recruitment process is efficient, then the organization gets happier and more productive employees, attrition rate reduces, it builds a good workplace environment with good employee relationships, it results in overall growth of the organization. Hence, recruitment is one of the major role of human resource team which helps the organization in developing. Here is a list that shows the purpose and importance of recruitment in an organization. It determines the current and future job requirement. With the help of recruitment, it is easy to identify the current job and also plan for the future job requirement. It increases the pool of job at a minimal cost. By following a proper recruitment process, it helps in minimizing the cost of recruitment. It helps in increasing the success rate of selecting the right candidates. With recruitment process, the success rate of selecting the right candidates increases. It helps in reducing the probability of short-term employment. By following a correct and proper recruitment process, it will be easy for the management to hold the employees for a longer duration. It meets the organization's social and legal obligations with regards to workplace. It helps in identifying the job applicants and selecting the appropriate resource. A proper recruitment helps in identifying the job applicant and selecting them for the appropriate job. It helps in increasing organizational effectiveness for a short-term and long-term goal. It helps in evaluating the effectiveness of various recruitment techniques. It attracts and encourages the applicants to apply for the vacancies in an organization. It determines the present future requirements of an organization and plan accordingly. It links the potential employees with the employers. It helps in increasing the success ratio of selection process of prospective candidates. It helps in creating talent pool of prospective candidates, which enables in selecting the right candidates for the right job as per the organizational needs. So we understand that by following a recruitment process, it helps the organization in sourcing the right candidates for the jobs vacant with the organization and also helps in making the resource stick with the company for a longer duration, which ultimately helps the organization to reach its goals by utilizing the resources in an effective and an efficient way. So dear friends, I hereby conclude that we have understood what is recruitment, the importance of recruitment. If you have any concerns or queries, please ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you out by answering all your queries. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.